5 amazing facts about the Northern Lights.
1. Aurora Borealis. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are a natural light display seen in high-latitude regions around the Arctic. 2. Solar wind. Interaction. The lights are caused by particles from the Sun, solar wind, interacting with Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. 3. Colors and shapes. They can appear in various colors, including green, pink, purple, and red, and can form different shapes such as curtains, spirals, or waves. 4. Best viewing times. The best time to see the Northern Lights is during the winter months when the nights are longest and the skies are darkest, particularly in locations above the Arctic Circle. 5. Cultural significance. Different cultures have various myths and legends about the Northern Lights, such as the belief in Norse mythology that they are the glow from the shields of the Valkyries.